Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another ARTlapse. On this week's ARTlapse, we'll be painting another magical portrait commission. Have you ever felt like you should have been born in a fantasy world? Do you identify with mermaids, fairies, or angels? Not only will I turn you into a cartoon character, I can draw you how your soul has always identified, honey. Live your magical fantasy. You know your social media profile needs an update. So make it a magical portrait commission update. Alright, now that we got that shameless plug out of the way, on this week's ARTlapse, we are painting the one, the only Miss Aja, one of Eileen's BFF, best friends forever and ever. Honey, we've been best friends since 4th grade, so that's like 18 years in the making. All right, and we used to go to conventions together and we would cosplay, and if you're not familiar with cosplay, that's costume play, and go to raves and get into magical, fantastical costumes and outfits, and we were living our magical fantasy back then. And so when I thought, what would Aja be? And a beautiful fairy goddess is what just kept appearing in the mind. I don't know why, but that was it. That was the ticket. So here we got some roses in her hair, some teal flowers, an iridescent, beautiful, almost stained glass like wings. Got some crystals and jewelry and rings and earrings and ear cuffs to boot. And you bet she's feeling pretty divine. So there you have it. Here is Aja as the fairy herself, living her midsummer night dream fantasy. She's all decked out in glam and got that coin to bang, and she is feeling magical. So if you'd like to get your own magical portrait, go ahead and check out the link down below. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you will be sure not to miss an update. And remember, you're magical, so shine on!